guys, and welcome to today's vlog. I literally just woke up. Today I woke up and I just felt like today was the day where I was gonna give these dogs a bath. Honestly, this is probably gonna be really entertaining. Let me just give you a little introduction here of who do you think will be most difficult. We've got Myrtle over here. Love you, Myrt, but she cries over everything. We got Louie over here. He's a really good boy, but he doesn't like being picked up or getting too close. See, I told you she cries. And we got Winnie down there, who is just a hyper little young one, so. Okay, I guess I don't have to shut this door. It's okay, Winnie. It's okay. She hates this. It's okay, Winnie. It's okay. 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 Don't do a face plant. Don't do a face plant. Oh. Winnie. It's okay. Good girl, me. I'm gonna turn this on. Don't get scared, okay? Good girl. I feel like you're gonna jump out. No. Winnie. No. Good girl. Okay. It's just water, baby girl. It's not hurting ya. I know. Front legs out. And then get your back legs out. Few days since I last filmed that footage that you just saw of me bathing the dogs. I've been kind of filming bits and pieces of different vlogs all over the place for the last few days, so I'm finally getting caught up. So it's actually Sunday evening right now. It's like just after 5. I had a nice long afternoon nap today. It was great actually. My room kind of needs some tidying up, but also my closet needs some serious disaster control. I need to go through my clothes. I'm also going to be doing a fall clothing haul coming up soon, so I really need to go through my closet and just donate some stuff, and I have way too much going on in there. I need to go through it. Okay, this is my closet right now. It doesn't look that bad when you just look at it like this, but down here is a disaster. My baking stuff is just taking over, and then up here I've got more baking stuff, and just, it's honestly, I don't even know what's up there. Actually, I already started a donation bag in here, so if I take that out, I'm gonna have so much more room. Because I have more clothes over here too, the first thing I'm gonna do is just go through all these clothes. First, guys, what would be a Sunday evening without The Office? I'm definitely putting this on in the background. Why isn't this working? I forgot that I started this over last night and I'm only on season 1 right now. I'm finished for the night and I've donated actually a lot of clothes out of here and I cleaned up the bottom. I have a few things here that I'm gonna pack away because it's getting into fall weather, but I want to keep them for next summer. I also kind of randomly found these fake flowers in the bottom of my closet and I put them just in a mason jar, but I think they actually look really cute over here by my window. This is literally gonna be my first time going for a run in definitely over 2 years. Definitely haven't exercised since before COVID, but I know it's kind of late because it's almost September now actually, but I really want to start going for runs again. I'm probably gonna be like dead after. So honestly, I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Going at night though is really nice, and I think it's about to thunderstorm because it keeps thundering and it's been raining all day on and off. So this is kind of like the perfect temperature and weather to go. That's about it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you next time.